Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting and talked about vehicles of the year, the 2025 Dodge Challenger. Yeah, you heard that right. The legendary muscle car has evolved into something completely new, an ultra-luxury SUV. Dodge is shaking things up in a big way, and this isn't just about a badge, this is a full transformation. So, what does it mean when a brand like Dodge, known for raw power and aggressive muscle cars, steps into the luxury SUV space? Well, it means you're getting bold design, powerful performance, and surprisingly refined comfort all wrapped into one seriously impressive package. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Challenger SUV has a commanding presence. It keeps that aggressive Dodge front facade we all recognize but elevates it with sleeker lines, LED matrix headlights, and a wider stance. The hood is sculpted, giving it a real performance SUV vibe. The LED light bar at the rear looks futuristic and gives a premium feel, especially when you see it light up at night. You can tell Dodge wanted to make a statement. Depending on the trim, you've got massive 22-inch alloy wheels, blacked-out accents, and even some performance-inspired aerodynamic touches like side skirts and a rear diffuser. It's not just eye-catching, it looks like it means business. Moving to the interior, this is where things take a surprising turn. Step inside the 2025 Challenger SUV, and you might forget you're in a Dodge. High-end materials are everywhere, real leather, suede inserts, brushed aluminum, and even optional carbon fiber trim. The attention to detail is impressive. There's ambient lighting throughout the cabin, and it's fully customizable. You can change the color to match your mood or even set different zones for front and rear passengers. The seating is plush and supportive, with both heated and ventilated options in the front and rear. Massage functions. Yeah, those are available too. The second row is spacious, with ample legroom even for taller passengers. You can opt for captain's chairs or a bench, depending on whether you want seating for 5 or 7. The third row is decent, not huge, but good enough for kids or shorter trips. Tech-wise, Dodge didn't hold back. There's a massive 15-inch touchscreen that runs their latest Uconnect system, which is fast, intuitive, and fully compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've also got a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that's fully customizable. And if that's not enough, there's a head-up display, a 19-speaker Harman Kardon sound system, wireless charging, and multiple USB-C ports throughout the cabin. Even the rear passengers get their own screens and climate controls. It really feels like a rolling lounge. Now let's talk performance, because at the end of the day, this is still a Challenger. The 2025 model comes with a few powertrain options. The base model features a turbocharged inline-6, pushing out around 420 horsepower. It's smooth, responsive, and has plenty of torque for daily driving or long road trips. But if you're craving serious power, Dodge offers a high-performance variant, rumored to have over 550 horsepower from a twin-turbocharged version of the Hurricane engine. All-wheel drive is standard across the board, and you've got adaptive air suspension that adjusts to driving conditions on the fly. It can be smooth and quiet on the highway, or firm and responsive in sport mode. 0 to 60. The high-performance trim is expected to do it in under 4.5 seconds, which is insane for an SUV of this size. It also tows up to 7,500 pounds, making it practical for those weekend getaways with a trailer or boat. Fuel efficiency isn't groundbreaking, but it's respectable for what this vehicle is. Expect around 18 to 20 mpg combined, depending on how you drive and which engine you choose. When it comes to safety, Dodge has packed in all the advanced features you'd expect. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, automatic emergency braking, you name it. There's even a semi-autonomous driving mode for highway cruising, which works surprisingly well. Alright, let's talk price. The base model starts around $58,000, which puts it in the same territory as some mid-level luxury SUVs. But once you start adding packages, upgraded engines, and luxury features, you're looking at closer to $75,000 to $85,000. The fully loaded performance model. That one crosses the $90,000 mark. It's not cheap, but when you consider what you're getting in terms of power, tech, comfort, and presence, it holds its own against brands like BMW, Audi, and even Range Rover. So who is this SUV for? It's for someone who wants something bold, something powerful, something that stands out from the sea of luxury SUVs. Maybe you love the old Challenger coupe but need more space now. Or maybe you're just tired of the same old German designs and want something American made with muscle and luxury baked in. Overall, the 2025 Dodge Challenger SUV is a big swing for Dodge, and in a lot of ways, they hit it out of the park. It blends heritage with modern luxury and performance in a way that few brands have dared to try. Whether you're a longtime Dodge fan or just someone looking for a high-end SUV that breaks the mold, this one's worth a serious look. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you buy the new Challenger SUV? Or do you think Dodge went too far? Let's talk about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.